Hello, it's Maria, and in this video I'm gonna make an overview of Virto SharePoint Kanban Board for Office 365. What this app is about? First, it's a Scrum board and it visualizes tasks your team is working with. Second, it takes items from a SharePoint list and organizes them as Kanban cards divided into columns. Here is the board with marketing tasks for the departments. Usually, columns mean the status of a task, but you can organize tasks into columns by other fields, for example, by signee or priority. Which actions you can do on the board? As it's a Scrum board, it's supposed that board members show the status of the activity, of their work. So move the card to the next column to show the progress. You decide what kind of information will appear in the card, in the tooltip, and in the edit form. Just choose the appropriate fields in the settings block. Leave a comment to a card to clear up a few moments. The board members will see it on the board and on the card where the number of comments appears. Change the start date on the date picker. Usually the start date is shown on the card by default, but you can change it to the due date. Use labels on the cards to classify the tasks. Certainly it is you define the names and colors of them. Besides, use custom style rules for your board. On this demo board, the cards with high priority are highlighted with brighter color. And overdue tasks have a red border on the left. One more option to group your tasks is using swimlanes. In this case, the tasks are grouped into 2 swimlanes by the department. You can add more swimlanes, hide them, and even move the tasks between them as well. You can apply default and custom filters. Use filter by an assignee to show the task over a board member you need. Or use custom filters as high priority in our case. Click Open Charts to show the report for the board and make your own analysis. Just define the period and select the fields. You can adjust both graphs displayed on the screen. To track the changes on the board, use History icon. For instance, I need to see if anybody has changed today the percentage complete. The history will show the changes. Virto Kanban Board allows you to use notifications. For example, the board member receives an email alert when a task assigned to him. Here is how the alert looks in the Outlook. Finally, you can add the Kanban board to your teams and use it as a separate tab without switching to browser. Adjust Virto Kanban board according to your needs and enjoy working. Thank you for joining me and be on the lookout for our new videos. Bye!